Good morning, Primary 6. How are you? Today we are going to be planning a trip to the cinema. Now, your task is a forms task. We have to work out your calculations and answer it in forms as a quiz format. It will mark it for you. Now, it's very important that you remember you're dealing with pounds and you put the pound sign into your answer. It will affect it. Okay? So, to go to the cinema, we're using the prices on the left-hand side of our screen. So we can see we've got a bus fare, which one way is £2.05. We have a movie ticket for a child, which is £8. A movie ticket for a child, which is £14, but that's a 3D film. We have 3D glasses, which are £1 each, and then various different amounts for popcorn, drinks, lollies, ice cream, and combo deals. So, to plan our trip just now, quite simply, we are going to have to consider how we're going to get to the cinema first of all, and we're going to go in the bus. So, the bus fare going is £2.05. Now we have to think of how do we get back? We have to get the bus back as well. So here we have another £2.05. Once we get there, let's see what else we're going to need. We're going to need a movie ticket, food, and a drink. So the cost of our movie ticket, if we go across to our price list, and let's just take a normal standard ticket, which is £8. Okay. And we'll have a look for our food. So we've got popcorn at £4.10. We have drinks later on. Let's see what I decided to choose. So I chose the £3.50 ice cream because I like my ice cream. And I took a small drink at £2.50. Now that would be the medium-sized drink. To find out how much I spent in total, I need to add all these amounts together. Now, a wee tip. Use your number talk strategy to help you add all these numbers out. You can chunk it up, you could do it on a number line, it's entirely up to you. Here it costs us £18.10. So give the challenge on the forms a go and see how you get on. Make sure you read the questions.